In this video, we have given that xy belongs to R such that x square plus 2xy minus y square is equal to 6. Then we have to find the minimum value of x square plus y square whole square. So in xy plane, if this is any curve and this point is xy, and suppose this distance is r, then we can write x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta if this angle is theta. And we have x square plus 2xy minus y square is equal to 6, and x can be written as r cos theta square plus 2 times, and x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta minus y is r sin theta square is equal to 6, and it is r square cos square theta plus 2r square sin theta cos theta minus r square sin square theta is equal to 6. And we can take r square common and we will get cos square theta minus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 6, and it is r square, and cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, that is equal to 6. So r square will be equal to 6 by cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, and we have to find the minimum value of x square plus y square whole square, and x square will be r square cos square theta plus y square will be r square sin square theta whole square, and we can take r square common and we will get cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square, and it is r square, and cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1 whole square, and r square is equal to 6 by cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta square. It is x square plus y square whole square, and we have to find the minimum value of x square plus y square whole square. So cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, it should be maximum, and it is 6 by, and the maximum value of cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta will be root 2 square, that is 36 by 2, and it is 18. So it is 18.